Part 6, ninth sum. Name the type of quadrilateral formed if any by the following points and give reason for your answer. First sum, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 0, minus 1, 2, minus 3, 0. Is it rectangle, square and parallelogram? So, first we should learn a distance between AB. Solution. Select A distance between A minus 1 minus 2 B 1 2 1 0. This is x1 y1 x2 y2. Formula root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So x2 minus x1 whole square, x2 1 minus minus 1 root of x2 1, this minus x1 minus 1 whole square plus y2 0 minus y1 minus 2 whole square root of 1 minus into minus plus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 2 minus 2 plus 2 whole square root of 1 plus 1 2 whole square plus 2 whole square. So root 4 plus 4 root 8 root of 4 into 2 root 4 into root 2. Root 4 means 2 root 2 units, 2 root 2 units AB, as well as distance between BC B 1 0 C minus 1 2. So x1 y1 x2 y2. Formula root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So root of x2 minus 1 minus x1 1 whole square plus y2 2 minus y1 0 whole square root of minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 whole square plus 2 minus 0 2 whole square root of minus 2 whole square 4 2 whole square 4. So root 8 root 2 4 into 2. So root 4 is equal to 2 root 2 units. Next distance between AB BC. Next CD C minus 1 2 D minus 3 0 x1 y1 x2 y2, as well as formula root of x2. Okay, so formula root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Root of x2 means minus 3 minus x1 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 0 minus 2 0 minus 2 whole square. So root of minus 3 minus 2 minus 2 plus 1 whole square plus minus 2 whole square. So root of minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 whole square plus minus 2 whole square 4 minus 2 into minus 2 4. So 4 plus 4 minus 2 whole square 4 root 8. Root 8 means root 4 into 2 root 2 units. Next AD. Next distance between AD. Distance between A DA or AD minus 1 minus 2 D minus 3 0 x1 y1 x2 y2. The formula is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So root of x2 means minus 3, this minus x1 minus 1 whole square plus y2 0 minus y1 minus 2 whole square. So root of minus 3 minus minus plus 1 whole square plus 0 minus minus plus 2 whole square. So root of minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 whole square. 0 plus 2 whole square. Root of minus 2 whole square 4 plus 2 whole square 4. So root 8. Root 8 means root 4 into 2. Root 4 square root 2 into root 2. 2 root 2 units. So we found AB, BC, CD, AD distances as well as AC distance, BD distance. So distance between A minus 1 minus 2, C minus 1 2. So x1 y1 x2 y2. The formula is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So x2 minus x1 minus 1 root of minus 1 minus 1 minus x1 minus 1 whole square plus y2 2 minus of minus 2 minus of minus 2 whole square. So root of minus 1 minus minus 2 plus 1 whole square plus 2 minus minus 2 plus 2 whole square. So root of minus 1 plus 1 0 square plus 4 square. So root of 0 plus 16 root 16. Root 16 means 4 units. So AC 4 units as well as distance between BD B 1 0 D minus 3 0. So x1 y1 x2 y2. Formula root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So root of x2 minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 whole square plus y2 0 minus 0 0 minus 0 whole square. So minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 whole square 0 minus 0 0 square. So root of minus 4 whole square 16 plus 0 root 16 is equal to 4 square units. So AB, what will we find? AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA 2 root 2 as well as AC distance to BD distance. AC is equal to BD. So ABCD is a square. ABCD is square. As well as you will find in ninth sum second, third, sums same as well as you will write. Thank you. Next sum, find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2 minus 5 minus 2 9. There are 2 points. So this is A, B. So the x-axis point P. Let the point is P. So the point is equal to the A and B. The point is equal to A and B. Let the point x-axis on the x-axis point x0. x-axis మీద ఉండే పాయింట్ x0 అనుకోండి. A 2 minus 5, B minus 2 9. ఈ AB పాయింట్లు ఈ P కి ఈక్వల్ గా ఉన్నాయి. అయితే ఆ ఈక్వల్ గా ఉండే x-axis మీద ఈక్వల్ గా ఉండే పాయింట్ x0 అనుకుంటాం. సో సొల్యూషన్ let P is equal to x0. ఆ పాయింట్ ని x0 అనుకున్నాం. అంటే డిస్టెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ AP is equal to డిస్టెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ BP. సో డిస్టెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ AP A 2 minus 5 P x0 as well as distance between B minus 2 9 P x0. అంటే AP is equal to BP. రెండు ఈక్వల్ అని ఇచ్చాడు. సో ఫార్ములా root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square in AP. Same formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square in AP. This is x1 y1 x2 y2 x1 y1 x2 y2. ఇది AP లో చూసుకోవాలి, ఇది BP లో చూసుకోవాలి. సో root of x2 this AP లో x2 x minus 2 whole square x minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus 1 0 minus y1 minus 5 whole square is equal to root of BP లో x minus 2 x2 x minus x1 minus 2 whole square plus y2 0 minus 9 whole square. Both sides square. So roots are move. అంటే స్క్వేర్ చేస్తే both sides square చేస్తే రూట్స్ రిమూవ్ అవుతాయి. సో x minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus minus plus 5 whole square is equal to x minus minus plus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 9 minus 9 whole square. A minus B whole square formula. A minus B whole square A square minus 2AB plus B square. This is A, this is B. A square x square minus 2. A means x, B means 2 plus B square 2 square. A square minus 2AB plus B square. Let A B. A minus B whole square formula. Plus 5 square means 25 is equal to same A plus B whole square. A square plus 2AB plus B square. A square x square plus 2x into 2 plus B square 2 square. A square plus 2AB plus B square. Let this is A, this is B. X square plus 2x into 2 plus B square means 2 square. Plus minus 9 x square plus minus 2 to the 4x plus 4 square 2 square is equal to 4 plus 25 is equal to x square plus 2 to the 4x plus 4 square means 2 square means 4 plus 81. So x square cancel, both are same positive number. So x square इटवे goes to minus होते up it minus 4x. So minus 4x, this is minus 4x, ఇక్కడ minus 4x ఉంది, ఈ 4x ఇవతలకు వస్తే minus 4x is equal to 4 plus 81, if plus 4 plus 25 అవతలకి వెళ్తే so is equal to that side minus 4 minus 25, minus 4 minus 25 plus 4 minus 4 cancel, so minus 8x is equal to 81 minus 25, 11 minus 5 6, so 7 minus 2 5, so x is equal to 56 by minus 8, so x is equal to 50 minus 56 by 8, so 8 1 are 8 7 are, x is equal to minus 7. So let the point is x 0, so minus 7 0, the point is minus 7 0.